Okay, so if you ever had to replace either the entire fan blade section along the bottom or the motor, this is how simple it is to do it. Okay, basically you're going to pop off the plate along the bottom and pull the two filter covers off. Very simple to do. And you're going to take the side plate off and you're going to take the electrics box off. Simple to do. Okay, we've pre-loosened a couple of screws. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to drop the bracket that holds the motor on. That's very simple. You take that one off there, and then there's a second little screw which is just on the inside, just there, and you're going to knock that off. It's this one just here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take that off for you. Okay, you line the fan up, and when you line the fan up, you'll see there's a front fitting, front screw, which you can just see on the video, and that's just there. Okay, so you're going to loosen that off, and that allows the fan unit just to slide to the side a little bit, which then basically means you can remove, first of all, pop the motor off. So just take the bracket out of the way, and that pulls out, and you're going to disconnect it. Leave it on, Harry, it's fine. You're just going to disconnect it off the fitting there, and that allows you, if we just leave that there, so you could straight away swap the motor and put that back on. Okay, there, we've done it. And if you then also needed to remove the blade, you'd go ahead and do that as well. Okay, so blade out. So refitting a blade, you just do that. You just put it in. Okay, line it up. Okay, and then you just reverse fit everything. Put it all the way back on. Okay, what I would say is when you have a look at these fan blade units, they actually have some metal lugs on them sometimes. Like this one's got one just here. So plastic has different densities when it's formed. This goes on a very, very accurate machine, just like when you get your tyre changed, and they will prefix little weights on to make sure that when installed, each individual unit will spin perfectly. But that's basically how simple it is.